picking up where we left off in the last video with the roof and all of that good stuff, guys. Nothing too crazy going on in this video aside from just doing a little bit of body work. Let me just show you real quick here. Alright, here's some welds on this A-pillar here, and I laid down some welds over here on this side also. What I'm going to do now is take my grinder and grind these guys down flush and prep to do a little bit of body filling here to clean all of this up. And then after I get all that stuff set, I've got to get rid of all of this adhesive and stuff from the window. I've already done it on the quarter glass, and I still have to do it on the windshield itself here. So that's about it. I just wanted to kind of touch base with you guys and update you so I didn't like leave the video hanging or any of that nonsense. But that is the basic idea and the basic rundown of what we got going on in this video. So I'm gonna hop on grinding this stuff down and break out my Bondo and then do a little bit of body work. So annoyingly enough, Florida blessed us with its wonderful rain. So I kind of like got in a rush, especially when it started to rain on me while I was doing this. But as you guys can see here, I've got most of the body filler laid out and cleaned up along the area where I welded. This is gonna be the only area that I'll have filler. And we just swiped this side real quick. Same thing, waiting on that to cure up, and then we'll sand down and shape this guy. This is gonna be the last coat of body filler on here. And then from there, we're gonna remove the adhesive along here, clean up around the windshield, lay down just a coat of spray paint. That way there's no bare metal showing, that way no rust or moisture can sit in there and try to corrode out from underneath the windshield, kind of prevent it from rusting out and causing future issues for the next owner. So we're gonna get all that cleaned up, get ready to drop this sucker back in there. Once that's in there, we'll move to the rear, the quarter glass. Those guys are all cleaned up front and back, and we just got to clean up along the edge just one more time, and then they'll be ready to go in, and my car will be just about complete. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to finish this up, and then we'll move over to the CA itself. I actually got the ECU in yesterday. Today is Saturday. The ECU came in, and I was caught up between doing a water pump and such on a buddy's car, and then, I don't know, figuring out the issue with the CA. We had a spark issue in general where the igniter wasn't making full contact, and then one of the harnesses, they were either plugged in on the wrong side or they were like, I don't know, mixed up, I guess. So after we finish all this up, I'll jump into the CA and show you guys that. It does run, it's alive. I'll just throw on a video real quick from my Snapchat. Oil pressure. So you guys can see that she is up and running, and it just was an ECU issue. So that being said, we are so close to getting down to the track and getting some seat time again. I'm going to finish this stuff up, and we'll move right along. We are all cleaned up, painted the inside of the frame right here with some primer. Go through over here on the other side, same thing. Looks nice and blended now. So we're just going to wait a couple more minutes for this guy to dry up. It's just about there. And then once it's all dry, we're going to break out the electric caulk gun and then the adhesive and get to laying down some glue for these windows. Here's an update for you guys. All the glass is back in, both quarter glass, along with the windshield. I know it's kind of hard to see. Sucks that it's getting dark here earlier, so I'm running out of daylight to film for you guys, but I'll probably just check in with you tomorrow. Maybe I'll take you guys on a little test drive, because all I got to do is fill up the transmission and then bleed the clutch, and it should be ready to go. So we're gonna just clean everything up, put all the trim back in, and then if we can get it to bleed out and get everything good to go, we will probably take you guys on a little ride. Check it out, guys. We got the clutch bled. We got everything buttoned up. We got to put one more clamp right here on the intake pipe. Need a clamp right here. But as of right now, we're filling up the trans with fluid, and then we're gonna take it on a test drive. The clutch is all bled out. Everything's been checked over. Drive shaft's bolted up. Not much more. We will see how she drives. Backfire?
Yeah, I did.
Oh yeah.
It sounded nice.
She eats, dude. All right, buddy.
All right, dude.
I'll see you tomorrow. Well, guys, we are wrapping up for the night. I just wanted to take you on that little test drive. Wanted to show you the car that's, you know, obviously firing up. It's running, it's driving. It's all good to go. So probably tomorrow morning, I'll just come out here and just kind of do a walk around of the car, fire it up, and show you guys. Because sadly, I only got like 5 minutes left on my SD card right now, and it's coming up on midnight. I'm pretty tired, exhausted, so that is the following day, guys, and this is going to be the first start of the day. I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood, show you guys what we're working with here. My hood's all misaligned, so I need to fix that too. It's going to pop really bad over here. I don't know why. It's like rubbing against the fender. There it goes. I don't have the coil cover on her right now, but she's in there, all cleaned up. Nothing crazy, nothing special. Let's see if we can get her to start up for us. There she is, starts right up. Oil pressure's up. Got a little bit of an exhaust leak down there at the downpipe. Gasket's looking like it's going bad. It wasn't too bad when I was installing it, but I think I might have damaged it. It was a little old. Turn on that electric fan. There she is, guys. Back in the car, back running. We're gonna get back to the track. Get to it. I'm gonna pull her around down to go ahead and put all my plastics and stuff on, so the next time you guys will see her should be all one piece and stuff. I won't film any of that though. I'll probably check in with you guys here in a couple days. I don't really have much to do to the S13 itself, aside from just getting new coilovers from my buddy AJ down in Orlando, and then just getting down to the track. The registration just opened for the Black Friday event, so I'm gonna try to get that taken care of, get my pass purchased so I can get down there for that event, and then that's about it, guys. So I'll probably just keep you guys posted until then, and just do basic maintenance and such to the car, and we'll just go from there. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video.